In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam stuck in offline mode. If you've opened Steam and noticed that it says offline mode, meaning you can't access online features, friends, or multiplayer games, don't worry because this is actually a very quick fix. Many users run into this issue after a restart, internet reconnect, or a Steam update, and the good news is that getting back online usually takes less than a minute. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can get Steam back online immediately, and if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides, just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open the Steam application on your computer like you normally would. Once Steam finishes launching, look at the very top left corner of the window. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. This menu contains several important settings related to your Steam client and connection status. Click on the Steam option in the top menu to open the drop-down menu. After clicking Steam, a list of options will appear. From this list, look for the option that says Go Online. If Steam is currently stuck in offline mode, this option will be available and selectable. Go ahead and click Go Online. Steam will now attempt to reconnect to the internet and log you back into the online network. Within a few seconds, the client should refresh and you'll see that your friends list, store access, and multiplayer connectivity are restored. That means Steam is now successfully back online. If for some reason it doesn't reconnect immediately, try restarting Steam once and repeating the same step by clicking Steam and then go online again. In most cases, this resolves the issue instantly, and that's it. That's how you fix Steam stuck in offline mode quickly and easily. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.